BYD more than doubled Tesla's China sales in October as Tesla's sales slipped on a month-over-month basis, while NEV startups showed strong sales numbers across the board. China's new energy vehicle, NEV, industry continues to exhibit solid momentum, with September seeing NEV sales rise about +22% YoY and October estimated to see around +34% YoY growth. As a whole, China is expected to once again be the primary driver of global EV sales this year, with volumes forecast to reach or exceed 8.5 million units, or more than 60% of the projected 14 million global volume. Tesla has been in the spotlight recently. Its margins have contracted significantly over the past few quarters as it prioritizes price cuts. China is Tesla's most important market as it currently represents the highest remaining total addressable market, TAM. Therefore, the recent weakness is not something to ignore, especially as domestic rivals pick up their pace of growth. BYD's delivery numbers have shown tremendous growth in Q3 and the start of Q4, as opposed to Tesla's stagnation as consumer demand looks to be shifting in favor of local OEMs. XPeng and Li Auto both posted record October numbers with approximately 300% YoY growth, while NIO saw +60% YoY growth. BYD's increased dominance in China is more visible with sales data by model. 5 of the top 6 highest-selling models in October were BYD, combining for nearly 214,000 unit volume, compared to the Model Y's 53,249 volume for the month. BYD has seen steady growth in NEV and purely BEV sales since May, and since June, BYD has posted 5 straight record months for NEV deliveries, rising from 253,046 in June to close out Q2 to more than 301,000 in October to kick off Q4. Deliveries grew +39% YoY in October, the slowest growth rate so far this year, where monthly sales have averaged +77% YoY growth. In terms of BEV sales, for a more apples-to-apples comparison to Tesla, BYD recorded +60% YoY growth to 165,505 deliveries and exports of China-made vehicles in October, more than double Tesla's total. At that rate, BYD is set to overtake Tesla in terms of quarterly BEV deliveries, being on track to surpass 500,000 BEVs in Q4, whereas Tesla is forecasting a volume of at least 449,000 vehicles in Q4 to reach its 1.8 million target for 2023. On the other hand, Tesla's China sales peaked in June at 93,680 vehicles, with September seeing a nearly 12% MOM and 11% YoY decline to 74,073 vehicles, including exports. October saw a fractional YoY increase of just +0.6% while registering a consecutive MOM decline of 2.6%, as the OEM continues to lag the growth of the broader NEV industry. If you own Tesla stock, or are looking to own Tesla, we encourage you to attend our weekly premium webinars, held every Thursday at 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. NIO and XPeng are struggling to find a shift to profitability with elevated levels of R&D and losses piling up, whereas Tesla is facing margin troubles, exacerbated by its reliance on China.